Let's get a new wig installed. Ricardo took down my old wig, detangled my hair, and off to the wash bowl we go. You know I don't touch my hair. Ricardo does everything. So after that wash, we blow out my hair, and then he decides, you know what? We're going to do a trim. Do you think my hair's grown since the last time I got it done? Let me know in the comment section. So I feel like this trim was more of a dusting, to be honest with you. Like, I don't think a lot came off, which I'm happy about. After that was done, we start on the braid down, and once the braid down has been completed, Ricardo applies oil to my scalp. I have my own oil mix that I plan on using for the month I'll be wearing this wig, and you can find that on my YouTube channel. After getting this wig on, I wasn't sure how to style it, so Ricardo definitely made sure that this wig wasn't damaged or anything like that, and then he said, let's do some big bouncy curls, and I said, okay, I love that for me. After the curls had set, we took out the clips, he did the final touches, and I'm ready to go. I came in with one wig, left with another, and all in all, this cost me $130 and less than 2 hours.